Hello guys, it's Gayan here. Today we have EcoFlow River 2 with me. I wanted this for so long and I got it from Amazon. We will unbox this today and see what EcoFlow has to offer. And it came box like that. And this is the inside. We have a nice padding here. It's like padding. Oh, there's the operations manual. Let me keep this side. Oh, this is the long waited EcoFlow River 2. It is like so tiny. Like I can even hold it in like in one finger. See, it's like pretty lightweight. How do you import like wow. We have EcoFlow logo here. This is like hard plastic. It's a tiny display. Output port, AC on off switch, USB A, USB C, and another USB A port. This is a power button, DC on and off button. I don't know how can I like that. It comes off, not like hanging thing. And also back side we have tiny fan. Actually not that tiny, and I assume this is for the solar charging, and it has Bluetooth. You can download the app, and this is for AC power input. And we have nice these big rubber grips, we can put it anywhere. And this is pretty much it. Okay, and what else we have got here? We got the AC charging cable. Also, the vehicle to we can charge it from the car. This is the port. Okay, I think that is all came with the yeah, that's everything. Okay, we'll keep everything side. Before even check the instruction manual, let me quickly turn on this thing. Oh, there's a light here. Wow. And okay, it says 28% battery. Okay, I should charge something with the EcoFlow. Let me use my power bank. It currently has like 50% of the charge, and I will use a random cable. This can't deliver high output. The cable can't deliver high output, I guess. Okay, yeah, definitely it only deliver like 9 watts, 8.9 watts. And yeah, it says it output 10 watts. Let me unplug this and see. Yeah, it comes to 0. Let me pause the video and find another high power USB cable, and I can check this one. Okay, I got the original charging cable for my power bank. It came with the U-green power bank. Let me plug it in. Okay, nothing's happening. Yeah, it's jumping. You can see it says like 58 watt in my power bank. See, and in the EcoFlow it says 53 watts. Yeah, it says 53 watts. I don't know why. But my power bank says clearly it's 58 watts. 20 volts, 2.9 amps. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's a little bit strange. I can turn on the AC. Ah, yeah. Now AC output turn on. Now I can switch it off. Yeah. Yeah, it's still charging at 58 watts, but the EcoFlow showing 53 watts. I don't know why. Okay, I will use the same power bank for this one. This is the charger came with my MacBook. It can deliver up to 30 watts. Let me quickly unplug this one and connect here and turn on the AC. Yep. Yeah, it's 28 watts. Yeah, now this one says 34 watts. Okay, I'll plug this one to the DC port now. This is also from the same brand, New Green. And yeah, now when you press the button, it should be, yeah, now it's power up. Unplug this one, connect here. Getting like 59 watts here. It's saying 63, 60. Yeah, the power bank getting 63.2 watts and the device showing 66 watts. Maybe the conversion efficiency is not the 100%. That's why I don't know. Yeah, seems like everything working as expected. Turn off this one. If I turn off this one, it will go to 0. Few booklets, and let me check this one. Here it says the ways to charge. How can we use the EcoFlow app? Yeah, I think I already got the EcoFlow app here. 5 years warranty. Wow, that's good. And okay, this is the DIY instruction for the solar connectors. And this is all the instructions. Yeah, I'm not gonna read this one. Okay, here I download the EcoFlow app. Let's open the app and see. Yes. Oh, create new account. Okay, let me quickly do this. Okay, I registered to the EcoFlow account and now it's scanning the devices. It show the EcoFlow River 2. There's a privacy agreement. Let me connect Wi-Fi. Okay, now it is trying to connect to the network. Let's give it time. Yeah, it is connected to the network. Yeah, I think we are done. Okay, yes, there are like several displays here. Yeah, I will use this one. I can set it here. It says currently it output around 53 watts and the display shows like exactly 53 watts. No input power coming. DC 0. I will turn on the AC and connect something. Yeah, still shows 0. And when I turn it off, it should, yeah, it went to the off version. Okay, temperature, how many battery percentage we have, and the time remaining. That is really useful information. What's in settings? Energy management, charge limit, discharge limit, yeah, backup reserve. Okay, there are like plenty of settings here. You can even set the AC charging speed for our device, car input, DC mode, solar recharging. I don't know what this is. What is X boost? This will enable the high current drawing devices to like take the inrush current. AC timeout, device timeout, firmware. This is like have really useful features. Device sharing, I don't know what is that. Yeah, that is pretty much it. If I turn off this one, I think still the USB will, yeah, still the USB can output, but this DC port will switch off.